their closure plan for the town's pit. In April 1964, the NCB had unveiled their £13 million showpiece, Parkside Colliery. The push-button pit, with a 1,000-strong labour force, came to Newton-le-Willows with a life expectancy of 100 years. It was to build up to a production of 1 million tonnes a year. The giant colliery, which covers 76 acres of farmland, was probably the last Lancashire pit to open. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
It seems as though we've travelled completely full circle on our journey. Now, in the mid-1990s, the last of the cones have all but disappeared.